Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Suzuki India has recently announced that the brand has achieved the 70 lakh sales milestone. The brand has rolled out its 7 millionth vehicle, the yellow V-Strom, from its Kherki Dhaula plant in Gurugram. Suzuki Motorcycles India celebrates 70 lakh sales. The portfolio of Suzuki Motorcycles India boasts a spectacular lineup of two-wheelers in the market. The brand's lineup comprises the V-Strom series, Gixxer SF 250, Gixxer 250, Gixxer SF, Gixxer, Access 125, Avenis, Burgman Street, and Burgman Street EX. These products will cater to mass-market customers. Additionally, its big bike product portfolio features premium bikes such as Suzuki Hayabusa, V-Strom 650 XT, and Katana. These products will cater to the premium audience in the market. Latest update in two-wheelers: Suzuki Motorcycles have refreshed their product lineup to meet the latest emission norms. The updated lineup includes a range of scooters and bikes such as the Avenis, Burgman series, Gixxer series, V-Strom series, Katana, and Hayabusa. All these products have been fitted with OBD2 devices that regulate real driving emissions, which shows Suzuki's dedication to reducing emissions and providing their customers with the best products and services in India. Official statement commenting on this occasion, Mr. Kenichi Umeda, Managing Director, Suzuki Motorcycle India Pvt. Limited said, "We are delighted to accomplish the 7 millionth production landmark." The company began its operations in February 2006 and has been delivering superior value products since its inception. This is a testimony of our commitment to India, and we wish to achieve many such milestones in the future. In the financial year ending March 2023, we achieved a record sale of 9.38 lakh units and year-on-year growth of 24.3% as compared to FY 2021 to 2022. We thank our valued customers, business partners, associates, and all my colleagues for this remarkable feat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Autocar India for more updates.